السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome my dears grade 2 in language schools. Math is fun by شيماء سعيد. قبل ما نبدأ شرحنا النهاردة اوعوا تنسوا تشتركوا في القناة وتفعلوا الجرس عشان توصلكوا جميع مراجعات ودروس الفصل الدراسي الأول للعام الدراسي 2020. Today we will have sheet 1. Choose the correct answer. The greatest number formed from 7, 5 and 2 is it 725 or 752 or 257? Well done, 752. 7 is the greatest number, so we will put 7 in hundreds place, then 5 in tens place, then 2 in ones place. So 752 is the greatest number formed from 5, 7 and 2. The second question is the value of the digit 3 in 354. Pay attention. Value of 3. 3 here in hundreds place. So its value is 300. Not 30 or 3. 3 here in hundreds place. So its value is 300. The value of 5 is 50. The value of 4 is 4. Okay, the third question. 5 ones, 7 tens, and 6 hundreds. 6 in hundreds place, 7 in tens place, 5 in ones place. So the number is 675. اللي أنا عايزة أكد عليه هنا ممكن عرض المسألة دي يكون بتتكرر كتير إنه بيبدأ بالهندردز وبعدين التنس وبعدين الوانس والولاد بيكتبوا الديجيتس كده جنب بعض على طول. مش عايزينهم يكونوا حافظين، عايزينهم يكونوا فاهمين كويس جدا. وأنا أكدت في شرح الدرس ده راجعوا الفيديوهات اللي موجودة على قائمة التشغيل الصف الثاني، هتلاقوا كل دروس الترم الأول. الدرس اللي كان خاص بالفاليو والبليس فاليو أكدت على إن لازم الولاد يكونوا فاهمين كويس جدا مكان العدد فين، الخانة اللي موجود فيها العدد فين، هي ones ولا tens ولا hundreds، واكتبه بالفاليو بتاعته ازاي. يعني ال5 in ones يبقى ال5 مكانها هنا في الوانس، مش علشان هي اتكتبت اول حاجة في السؤال اروح اكتبها في الهندردز، لا، ابقى فاهم كويس جدا 5 in ones يبقى اروح عند مكان الوانس واحط ال5. ال7 في التنس معروف ان التنس الخانة اللي بتتكتب بعد الوانس على طول. طب ال6 في الهندردز ده مكان الهندردز، يبقى ما ينفعش ابدا علشان السؤال صيغته جت مختلفة عن اللي الولاد بيتكرر كتير قدام الولاد يروح كاتب مثلا ان هي 576. لا، الديجيت ده قيمته 5 في الوانس يبقى نكتب 5 في الوانس. ال7 في التنس 7 في التنس، 6 في الهندردز 6 في الهندردز، يبقى النمبر على بعضه ايه؟ 675. 60 plus missed number equals 69. Is it 9 or 90 or 900? Huh? 60 plus missed number, unknown number, equals 69. So we will write 9 here. 60 plus 9 equals 69. The place value of the digit 5 in 547 is? Place value. Is it ones or tens or hundreds? 5 here in, well done, hundreds place. The smallest 3-digit number is 101 or 100 or 999? Pay attention. The smallest 3-digit number. Excellent, 100. But the greatest 3-digit number is 999. The name of the opposite solid is cube or cylinder or sphere. Excellent, cube. Rectangle has 400 side, 40 side, or 4 sides? Rectangle has 4 sides. Rectangle has 4 sides. Missed number equals 3 ones, 4 tens, and 9 hundreds. Is it 943 or 934 or 349? We have here 9 in hundreds place, 4 in tens place, 3 in ones place. So the number is 943. The solid which has no vertices, no edges, and no faces is cube or cylinder or sphere? Excellent, sphere. Sphere has no edges, no faces, and no vertices. What about 1 hour? 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 573 greater than or less than or equal to 328. Here we have 5 in hundreds place, but there we have 3 in hundreds place. So 500 is greater than 300. Pay attention, you must count the number of digits at first. 1, 2, 3, this is a 3-digit number. 1, 2, 3, and that is a 3-digit number. So look at hundreds place. 5 in hundreds place is greater than 3 in hundreds place. Three tenths plus 4 tenths. Is it 30 or 40 or 70? Okay, 3 tenths equals 30 plus 4 tenths, which is 40. 30 plus 40 equals, well done, 70. 5 hundredths, is it 5 or 50 or 500? 5 in hundreds place, its value is, well done, 500. 15 minus 7 equals 15 minus 5 minus, using making 10 strategy in subtraction. 15 minus 7 in using making 10 strategy in subtraction, we write it as 15 minus 5 minus 2 because 7 equals 5 plus 2. So we will subtract 5, then subtract 2. 15 minus 5 minus 2. 8 plus 9 equals 8 plus 2 plus, is it 5 or 6 or 7? Excellent, 7. Because 9 equals 2 plus 7. Now 9 plus 30 plus 600. Pay attention. 639. This is the expanded form for 639. Well done. 15 in standard form is, how can we write 15 in standard form? 15 here is in word form. So if we want to write 15 in standard form, we will choose 15. Excellent. 238 in expanded form is 200 plus 30 plus 8, or 800 plus 30 plus 2, or 300 plus 20 plus 8. 238. 200 plus 30 plus 8. Now compare between 374 plus 100 and 374 minus 100. Here we add 1 to hundreds place, but here we subtract 1 from hundreds place. The value of this number is 474, but the value of that number is 274. So 374 is greater than 374 minus 100. The number between 345 and 347 is it 346 or 348 or 344? Well done, 346. because 345, when we add 1, 346, then add 1, 347. The number of vertices of cube equals 8, but the number of vertices of cuboid equals 8 also, so we will put equal sign. Now complete in the same pattern. Here we add 2, 2, 4, 6. When you add 2, 8, 10, 12, 14, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72. Complete in the same pattern. 18, 16, 14, what do you notice? Well done! We subtract 2. 14, 12, 10, 8, 6. 32, 30, 28, 26, 24, 22, 20. 48, 46, 44, 42, 40, 38, 36. 66, 64, 62, subtract 2, 60, 58, 56, 54, 98, 96, 94, 92, 90, 88, 86. Now complete the missed numbers from the number chart. Do you remember 120 short? For example, 32. The number before is 31 and the number after is 33. But when we subtract 10, the number is 22, and when we add 10, the number is 42. What about 86? The number before 86 is 85. And the number after 86 when we add 1 is 87. When we subtract 10, the number is 76. And when we add 10, the number is 96. So subtract 1 from tens place, or to add 10, so add 1 to tens place. What about 55? The number before 55 is 54 when we subtract 1. And the number after 55 is 56 when we add 1. But the number less than 55 by 10, which is subtract 10, is 45. And when we add 10, the number is 65. What about 12? The number before 12 when we subtract 1 is 11. But the number after 12 when we add 1 is 13. When we subtract 10 from 12, the number is 2. But when we add 10, the number is 22. Now complete the following. 23 plus 46 plus 54. If we want to use adding by regrouping, we will add 46 to 54. Here we have 23. We will add 46 to 54, which is 100. So 23 plus 100 equals 123. We can use another way. We can add 23 to 46, which is 69. Then add 69 to 54, We have 60 and 50, which is 110. 9 plus 4, which is 13. 110 plus 13 equals 123. Both are right. The second question is 53 plus 62 plus 24 plus 32. How can we add 4 numbers with 2-digit number? It's so easy. Try to add the first 2 numbers. 53 plus 62 equals 115 because 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 plus 6 equals 11. After that we have 24 plus 32, which is 56. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now we want to add 115 to 56. Add once at first. 5 plus 6 equals 11. Then add tens. 1 plus 5 equals 6 in tens, and we have 1 in hundreds. 160 plus 11, so it's 171. Now estimate the result of 13 plus 52. You know that 13 is close to 10 and 52 is close to 50. So we will add 10 to 50, which is 60. So we will estimate the value of the sum of 13 and 52 to 60. What about 61 plus 11? You know that 61 is close to 60 and 11 is close to 10. So we will add 60 to 10. We will estimate the sum to 70. 74 minus 22 is close to. You know that 74 is close to 70. 22 is close to 20. So 70 minus 20, 50. Join equal results after adding. So calculate the sum at first. 12 plus 6, 13 plus 4, 10 plus 9, 6 plus 10, 7 plus 9, 10 plus 7, 9 plus 10, and 11 plus 7. Now we calculate the sum. 12 plus 6 equals 18, 13 plus 4 equals 17, 10 plus 9 equals 19, 6 plus 10 equals 16. And here we have 7 plus 9, which is 16. We can add 7 to 3, then to 6. 7 plus 3 equals 10 plus 6 equals 16 using making 10 strategy. Here we have 11 plus 7. We can counting up after 11 7 times, so we will reach or get 18. 17 plus 7. 10 plus 7, which is 17. 9 plus 10, which is 19. Now join equal sum. So 13 plus 4 equals 10 plus 7. 12 plus 6 equals 11 plus 7. 6 plus 10 equals 7 plus 9. 10 plus 9 equals 9 plus 10. Join equal results after subtracting. 17 minus 10, 15 minus 11, 19 minus 10, 30 minus 20. 20 minus 10, 10 minus 3, 16 minus 12, 11 minus 2. 17 minus 10 equals 7, 15 minus 11 equals 4, 19 minus 10 equals 9, 30 minus 20 equals 10. What about 20 minus 10? So easy, equals 10. 10 minus 3 equals 7 from family of number 7. 16 minus 12 equals 4. 11 minus 2 equals 9. Now join equals difference. 17 minus 7 equals 10 minus 3. 19 minus 10 equals 11 minus 2. 15 minus 11 equals 16 minus 12. 30 minus 20 equals 20 minus 10. We can use counting up strategy. We count 6 digits after 12. We can count 6 times after 12. After 12 we have 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What about 13 plus 4? It's the same. After 13 we have 14, 15, 16, 17. Or we can use 120 short. So move 9 steps after 10, we will get 19. 10 plus 9 equals 19. What about 6 plus 10? 6 plus 0 equals 6 and put 1 in 10th place as it is. So 6 plus 10 equals 16. 7 plus 9. We can use making 10 strategy. 7 plus 3 equals 10. But this is 9, not 3. So 9 equals 3 plus 6. 10 plus 6 equals 16. What about 11 plus 7? We can count 7 numbers after 11, so we get 18. But 10 plus 7, it's so easy. 10 plus 7 equals 17. 9 plus 10 equals 19. 736 equals 6 plus unknown number plus 700. Here we have 7 in hundredths place, which is 700. We have 6 in ones place, which is 6. So the missed number is 30, which is 3 in tens place. Excellent. Unknown numbers equals 7 plus 80 plus 100. Here we have 100 plus 80 plus 7, which is, well done, 187. The place value of the digit 8 in 873 is, pay attention, the place value. Is it ones or tens or hundreds? Excellent, hundreds. 8 ones, 5 hundreds equals 8 in ones, 5 in hundreds. We will put 0 in tens, so the number is 508. What about 9 ones, 7 tenths, 3 hundredths? We put 3 in hundredths place, 7 in tenths place, and 9 in ones place. So the number is 379. The value of the digit 4 in 543 is 4 here in tens place, so its value is 40. Excellent. Now complete the following. 652 equals 2 plus 50 plus 600. Well done. 324 equals 4 in ones place, 3 in hundredths place, and 2 in tens place. Pay attention. 90 tenths. 90 tenths equals 900. 800 equals 8 in hundredths place. 100 in word form is ONE, which is 100, HUNDRED. 57 plus 200 equals 257. Now complete the following. 328 equals 300 plus 20 plus 8. 107 equals 7 in ones, 1 in hundredths, and 0 in tens. 500 in digits equals 500. 5 and put 2 zeros to the right of 5. 70 tenths equals 700. 100 equals 10 tenths. 57 plus 200 equals 257. With Marwa 15 flowers, she gave her sister 9 flowers. How many flowers was left with Marwa? مروة كان معاها 15 من الورد وادت اختها 9 من الورد. يا ترى اللي فضل معاها كام؟ was left يعني الباقي معاها كام؟ The left flowers with Marwa equals 15 minus 9, which is using making 10 strategy. 15 minus 5 minus 4, because 15 minus 5 equals 10, 10 minus 4 equals 6. So 15 minus 9 equals 6. We can count up after 9 to get 15. So we count 6 numbers. It's right. Okay, Mazen saw 7 birds on the tree and he saw another 5 birds in the sky. How many birds did Mazen see in total? The total number of birds equals 7 plus 5, which is 12. We can say 7 plus 3 plus 2. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Use mental math strategy to solve the following. 15 plus 9. We can use making tens strategies here. 15 plus 5 plus 4 because 9 equals 5 plus 4. It's so easy to add 15 to 5 because 15 plus 5 equals 20. 20 plus 4 equals 24. The second one. This is two consecutive numbers, 3 and 4. So we can use double of number plus 1. We double the smallest numbers, then add 1. 3 plus 3 plus 1. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 5 plus 6. Here we have minus, so we can use double of number minus 1. But the two numbers must be consecutive. 5 and 6 here are two consecutive numbers. So we will add the greatest number, then subtract 1. 6 plus 6 minus 1. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 12 minus 1 equals 11. What about 17 minus 9? We can use making 10 strategy. It's so easy to subtract 7 from 17. 17 minus 7 equals 10. 10 minus 2 equals 8. Because 9 equals 7 plus 2. So the difference is 8. The last one, 12 plus 18 plus 23 plus 42. Here we will add the first two numbers. 12 plus 18 equals 30. 23 plus 42 equals 65. Then add once. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 3 plus 6 equals 9 and 10. So the sum is 95. A primary school teacher records her students' favorite subject in her paragraph. Use the graph to answer questions. في مدرسة سجلت أعداد الطلبة اللي عندها في مدرسة ابتدائي اللي بيفضلوا مواد عن مواد، فلقت إن في 30 من الستودنتس بيفضلوا الأرابيك، في 50 بيفضلوا الماث، في 35 بيفضلوا الإنجليش، وفي 40 بيفضلوا الأرت، وفي 10 بيفضلوا الساينس. في عندنا questions هنجاوب عليها. What is the second most popular subject؟ تاني أكتر مادة محبوبة من الطلبة هي الارت لأن كانت 40 لأن أول واحدة هي الماث كانت 50. What is the least popular subject? Is it science or English? The least الأقل هي الساينس لأن الساينس كان أقل حاجة عندنا 10. What is the preferred subject for 50 students? إيه هي المادة المفضلة عند 50 من الستودنتس؟ هي الماث. Now look at the favorite fruit graph and then answer questions about the data. Have apples and 5 students prefer apples. 3 students prefer oranges and 7 students prefer bananas. We have 9 students prefer strawberries and 5 students prefer kiwis. We have 2 students prefer pears. Okay, how many more people like the strawberries than pears? 9 minus 2, which is 7. How many people altogether liked kiwis, apples, and oranges? 5 plus 5 plus 3, which is 13. How many more people like the strawberries than oranges? 9 minus 3, which is 6. How many people in all liked apples, bananas, and pear? 5 plus 7 plus 2, which is 14. How many people in total shared which fruit they liked best? 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus 9 plus 5 plus 2, which is 31. Many thanks, my dear. See you in next lessons, inshallah, with my best wishes. شيماء سعيد.